Past perfect tense.
زمن الماضي التام.
Past perfect. I had done.
الماضي التام هو زمن في اللغة العربية يستخدم للتعبير عن حدث وقع في الماضي قبل حدث آخر في الماضي. بعبارة أخرى، يستخدم للتعبير عن حدثين ماضيين، أحدهما سابق على الآخر.
Affirmative. Had. Plus. Past participle of the verb.
Examples. I had finished my homework before the teacher arrived. First, homework finished. Then, teacher arrived. She had already left for work by the time I woke up. First, she left. Then, I woke up. They had been living in France for 5 years when they met. First, they lived for 5 years. Then, they met.
Negative. Hadn't. Plus. Past participle of the verb. I hadn't done my homework. I hadn't eaten my dinner. She hadn't gone to the park. Question. Had you done your homework? Yes, I had. No, I hadn't. Had you eaten your dinner? Yes, I had. No, I hadn't. Had she gone to the park? Yes, she had. No, she hadn't.
الكلمات الدالة على زمن الماضي التام.
After. As soon as. Till. Until. No sooner. Hardly. Scarcely. Before. By the time.
استخدامات زمن الماضي التام. نستخدم زمن الماضي التام للتعبير عن حدث تم قبل حدث آخر في الماضي.
He was hungry because he hadn't eaten his breakfast. I found the key which I had lost. I had hardly done my homework when I went to the club. I had no sooner done my homework than I went to the club.
نستخدم زمن الماضي التام للتعبير عن أحداث سابقة في الكلام الغير مباشر وفعل القول كون ماضي.
Said or told. He told me that he had gone to the library. They told me that they had had a picnic. Examples. My father bought a new car after he had got money. My brother didn't buy a new book until he had finished the old one. He had studied well before he went to the exam. We had eaten dinner before the movie started. The train had already departed by the time she got to the station. He had been painting his room all day when his friend called.